Here you've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark II, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now go to System and click on Languages and Input. If you'd like to change language, just enter Languages and now click on Add a Language. Here you can check all the options that you can apply and just pick the language that you want to have your device in. Let me pick Italian, then select the region. And now you have to swipe up to the first place, and as you can see, once some particular language is on the first place, it is a default language of your Sony. So from now on, you can smoothly use your device in Italian. Here it is. And whenever you would like to change the language again, you have to open System one more time, go to Languages and Input, pick Languages, and then you can either remove unnecessary language by tapping on More icon, then select Remove, mark the language that you would like to delete, and click on bin icon, then confirm it by tapping on OK. And as you can see now, the second language will just hit the first place, so it will be a default one, or you can obviously add a language as we did it previously. So this is it, this is how you can change the language in your SONY Xperia 10 Mark II. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.